Hey there, today we'll talk about charisma, how is it maintained, how it should be trained, how to enable it, how to generally have better charisma. Now, charisma is also defined in two senses motion, compelling attractiveness or charm that can inspire devotion in others, and the second meaning, a divinely conferred power or talent. There are people that are pretty much born with strong charisma, that are pretty much attractive, manipulative, that can use their charisma to manipulate other people. However, not everybody are born with charisma. Shy, introverted people, they mostly live in their own world, and they are not pretty much attractive to other people, then don't have pretty much power to influence on other people. So, this is the feature that can also be trained. Good speech, people that have a great speech, like politicians or military generals, have also training for this. In most cases, now once you know body language, I will insert a link in this tutorial, so you can remember what I said in previous links. They also stand in front of their mirror and they train. How they train? During their talk, or during your talk now, it is very important that your body language follows what are you telling from your mouth, because this means that you emphasize the strength of your speech, that you really mean that. This gives you more power in the eyes of the other people. It isn't important do you think what you say or not think. It is important that other people believe that you think that honestly. That is the most important feature in this process. So, use body language to emphasize your features, to emphasize your speech, to emphasize your influence, generally. For example, if you talk, your hands will have to follow what are you telling. Never decrease the distance and never increase it. You have to be a person that knows what wants. Do you know what you want? Well, you have to act like you know. You have to pretend that you are sure 100% of what are you saying. To be more charismatic, you need a moderate ability to act. Will you be able to act or not? Depends how much will you progress. So, stand in front of your mirror, speak, make sure that your hands and the rest of your body follows what are you saying, and the most important thing, don't make mistakes. Use only genuine smile. Learn to act genuine smile. Learn when you say something that your hand follows what are you saying. So my move. Your hand follows what are you saying. If your hand is too late, or you move too much while talking, this is minus for charisma. Now, I can talk till tomorrow, but stand in front of your mirror and train. By the way, hope you like this tutorial. Just to know everybody, this tutorial has been ordered. Never mind by who. But, as this person now already sees, wish came true. Hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe, like, apply this in real life. Greetings.